I bet you didn't know how suspenseful a simple box could be. Picture this. A stranger hands you a mysterious box and says, it's either $1,000 in cash or absolutely nothing. What's your move? So there you are, standing with this mysterious box in front of you. Your heart races. What's inside? $1,000 could change your week, maybe even your month, but what if it's empty? You weigh the odds. Do you take the risk and grab the box? Or play it safe and walk away? The stranger's eyes lock onto yours, waiting for your decision. Would you take the chance? The suspense is real. And just when you think you've made up your mind, the stranger makes an offer you can't refuse. What happens next? Will you be the one walking away with $1,000 or nothing at all? Stay tuned and let's find out.